If you want to make big profits like this, or even this, then you should use the traffic source that I'm about to show you inside this video. Hey guys, my name is Damon Black and welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you a newly discovered traffic source that I've been using for the past couple of weeks, and I've had some amazing results with several different campaigns using this traffic source. Now, before I reveal the traffic source, make sure to smash the like button below and subscribe if you are new, because if you are not subscribed, then you're going to be missing out on a lot of free awesome content that I have planned out for the next couple of weeks. And with that being said, let's dive into my computer. Now, the secret traffic source that I've been using for the past couple of weeks is called Hilltop Ads. Now, Hilltop Ads is an advertising network for affiliates like us looking to promote our products online. It's also for publishers that have their own products. Now, they have many awesome features that I'm going to dive into once I create my account. So let me mention just a couple of these features. For example, Hilltop Ads has a feature called auto optimization, which means that your campaign will be automatically optimized and you don't have to do it manually. They also have many advertising formats to choose from, including push and pop traffic, which I mainly use. But they also have in-page push and banner ads. They also have a great feature called S2S tracking, which means that you can connect your favorite tracking tool or directly connect your CPA network with Hilltop Ads. But I'm not going to mention everything because this video would be way too long. So if you want to check them out, all their features, and read about them on their website, I'm going to have a link below this video. But now let's sign up. To sign up, all you have to do is click on Advertisers. Click on Start Your Campaign. You want to select I'm an advertiser, your name, email, and password. And that's all you have to do. Just fill in this information, confirm your email, and you should be good to go. So I'm going to log in for you guys. I'm going to show you what the dashboard looks like, and I'm going to show you how to navigate. And once you sign up, this is going to be your Hilltop's dashboard. On the left side, you have your menu bar, dashboard, your funds, stats, manage campaigns, trackers, and estimation tools. First of all, I want to mention the dashboard. So once you sign up, you're going to have a great video tutorial guide about your account. Overview, if you want to watch that, feel free to do so. It's a great tutorial. And you can also watch many tutorial videos on their YouTube channel clicking this blue button. Now, to start your very first campaign, of course, you're going to have to deposit money because this is paid advertising. This is not free. To do so, all you have to do is click on Add Funds, and here you can add money to your account. Now, you need to fill in your profile information to add funds, so all you have to do is click on My Profile Invoice Information, and now just fill in this information. And as you can see, this took me like 2 minutes. Just fill in your personal information, and now you can go back to Add Funds, and here you can choose a payment method. You have many options: wire transfer, your debit card or credit card, capitalist, Wise, Bitcoin, or even USDT. So this is completely up to you. Now, I also prepared a special coupon code. If you're gonna try out this network yourself after watching this video, then you can use the coupon code Damien, and if you deposit at least $100, then you're gonna get 20% additionally. Now, if you need any help whatsoever regarding your campaigns, stats, or optimization, you can always contact your manager, which you will find in the upper right corner. All you have to do is click on this button and you can see his contact information. Now, to check out the stats of your campaign and the performance, all you have to do is click on Stats right here, and you need to select the campaign that you have created. But since we have not created a campaign just yet, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second, you will find nothing right here. So first you need to launch a campaign, and then you can check out the stats. And of course, Hilltop Ads is going to give you super detailed stats so you can optimize and scale your campaign. And before I show you how to create a campaign, I want to show you one more thing, and that is the tracking. Now, here you will find your S2S postback URL that you can directly integrate with your CPA network if you're not going to be using a tracking tool, or you can directly generate a postback URL for your favorite tracking tool like Vmob, Volume, Binom, or even AdsBridge. And for instance, I usually integrate Hilltop Ads directly with my favorite CPA networks, but I also use CPV Lab Pro as my go-to tracking tool. So this is completely up to you. I'm not promoting any of these tracking tools. They are a bit expensive, but if you're just a complete beginner, then my recommendation is to directly integrate Hilltop ads with your CPA network. And of course, now is the time to create your campaign. But before we do so, we need to select an offer. And my go-to network for promoting CPA offers is Golden Goose. They have tons and tons of awesome offers. So this is my recommendation. Go to Golden Goose, and there you will find hundreds, if not thousands of offers that you can choose from in any niche given. So make sure to sign up as well, and you can use Golden Goose offers and promote them on the Hilltop Ads advertising network. So let me create an account and log in. Now, upon signing up, this is going to be your Golden Goose dashboard. Of course, every network has their dashboard, and here you will find all of the different types of offers. Now you can see that there are over 2,000 offers on this network, so many different options. But right away, what I'm gonna do is click on vertical and click on mainstream, because YouTube does not allow adult content, and Golden Goose also has adult offers. So I'm gonna click on mainstream so this video does not get taken down. And here you can find mainstream offers. Now what I usually do is I search for offers depending on my advertising format. So if I'm gonna be using pop under ads, then I usually select simple flow offers, low payout offers. And if I'm gonna be using push notifications, then I can select, higher paying offers, because that is more complex. Now for this video tutorial, I'm gonna go with pop under traffic, and that is what I recommend also to use for beginners. If you're a beginner, I usually recommend to stay with pop under traffic, because that is by far the easiest advertising format, because you do not have to create campaign creatives. So I'm gonna click on best rated offers. So I'll be back in just a second, and I'm gonna select an offer for you guys. So what I found right away is this offer right here, which is in the country geolocation Senegal. It's rated at 5 stars. It's in the mainstream vertical with games download education category. This conversion flow is a 2-click flow, which is super simple, great for pop under traffic. And when you scroll down, you can see that there is no restriction for pop under traffic, which is the advertising format that we're gonna use to promote this offer. Now, first of all, what I'm gonna do is click on get link, and here is the promo URL for this offer, but we cannot directly use this URL because we would not have any tracking installed. What we need to do, on the other hand, is click on ad network name, search for Hilltop ads, click on it right here. And now all the zones, right, the zone ID and the source ID has been automatically added, which means the tracking parameters have been installed. Now this is the URL that you want to promote and that you want to submit when launching your campaign. Because as you can see, C token and P2 equals source, Hilltop ads, and site equals zone ID, right? So this means that the tracking tokens have been installed, and this is the final destination URL that you want to submit when launching your campaign. So make sure to copy it and save it, and you can click on finish. Now there's one more thing that you need to do, and that is to set up your S2S global postback. So just head over to Hilltop ads, right? Click on trackers, copy your postback URL, go to Golden Goose, okay, click on your account, go to global postback. Now, when you are on the global postback menu, all you have to do is paste the link from Hilltop ads inside this column. So go back to Hilltop ads, copy this URL, go back to Golden Goose, paste it inside here, and now you want to change 2 things. First, you want to add the conversion transfer parameter from Golden Goose, which is P1, and you want to replace it with C token, including the brackets. All right, and then you want to change also this ending right here. You want to add price equals profit, okay? So that every time you get a conversion inside Golden Goose, it's going to be transferred over inside Hilltop ads, your dashboard. And basically the profit parameter from Golden Goose is the amount you receive per conversion, and that amount is going to be transferred over to Hilltop ads. So once you have this, you want to click on update, and if it has been saved, this means that you have set this up correctly. So now congratulations, your tracking is set up. You have your affiliate link, your final destination URL, and now it's time to go to Hilltop ads and create the actual campaign itself. So go back to Hilltop ads, right click on dashboard. You want to click on add campaign, and here you want to enter your campaign details. So the ad format is going to be pop under. Now, if you want to check out whether it's for desktop or mobile, just go back to Golden Goose, right? And visit the offer that you have selected, this one right here. You want to scroll down, and as you can see, this is for, let's see, 3G LTE orange, no iframe, no banners. So this is probably a mobile offer. So I'm going to go back to Hilltop ads. I'm going to click on mobile pop on there. For the ad type, I'm going to select CPM, which is cost per mile, which means that we're going to be paying per 1,000 ad impressions. The traffic channel is mainstream. You can select either low activity, medium activity, or high activity. What I usually do is I select mainstream, medium activity, or high activity. All right, so you can read more about this right here when you hover over this button. As you can see, best combination for rate plus conversion rate, it has a really good performance, and that is medium activity level. So you want to click on medium activity, and now the campaign name. What I usually do here is I enter the name of the actual offer itself. So go back to Golden Goose. I'm just going to copy this right here, right? And I'm also going to add a country, which is Senegal. The final destination URL is the one you have created just a couple of minutes ago. To find your URL, click on menu, click on campaigns, and this is the one that we have created just a couple of minutes ago. You want to click on this little chain icon, click on promo URL, and this is it right here. So you want to copy it, including the tracking tokens. Now you want to go back to Hilltop ads, and this is your final destination URL. You can also add additional placeholders to your URL. For the frequency capping, I'm going to leave this at 1 per 12 hours. The geolocation is Senegal. All right, just like so. For the browser, let's see if we have some information on Golden Goose. So we don't have any browser information on the Golden Goose offer page. So I'm just going to select the most popular ones like Chrome, Safari, Samsung browser, Firefox. We can do Edge. And that's it. For the OS, once again, just leave all of these on because we do not know which ones work and which ones don't. All right, so Android and OS device types also just leave mobile and smartphone. Mobile carrier, let's see if we have any carrier. We have cellular carriers orange. So for the mobile carrier, you want to search and click on orange for Central African Republic. All right, so this one right here. And the connection type is 3G and LTE. The landing page language is English, so I'm going to click on language English, and that's it for the targeting information. So now you want to scroll down and campaign filters. Now for the campaign filters, I'm not going to do anything here. You can basically filter a proxy or web view. I usually just leave this allow. Now for the automatic optimization, this is the feature that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. This feature allows you to automatically optimize your campaign. Now you're going to have to insert a couple of details here. For instance, impressions, whether you want to check every 90 days with an interval of 1 day or every 30 minutes with 1 day, right? So this is completely up to you, and the action is blacklist zone, which means that this auto optimization tool will automatically blacklist zones, right, with lower or higher impressions, lower or higher spend rates, conversions, or eCPA. So you can set this up however you like, or you can just keep this turned off. Now I'm gonna switch off this feature because I like to personally optimize all of the campaigns myself after a couple of days and after I spend my test budget. You can also add campaign limits. So I usually just add a total budget, usually $100, right? This is my test budget per campaign, just like so. And you can also add a daily budget limit. So let's just say $25, which means that this campaign is gonna spend $100, 25 per day, which means it's gonna run for 4 days. And you can also change the daily limit usage algorithm. You can spend the budget like as soon as possible in the morning, or you can spread it out throughout the entire day. Now, when you scroll down, here is your campaign schedule. This basically means that you can schedule when this campaign is gonna run and when it's gonna switch off, but I'm just gonna leave this off. Now, the traffic volumes chart is basically an estimation of how much you're going to spend per 1,000 ad impressions. And here you can bid how much you are willing to spend as an advertiser. So the minimum CPM for your targeting is 0.36 and the premium is 128. The more you bid, right, the higher quality traffic you're gonna receive. So the premium and the recommended, I just usually go with recommended CPM rates. And as you can see, the higher you bid, for instance, if you bid $5, you're gonna get a conversion rate of 1.65. But if you bid only, let's just say 50 cents, your conversion rate drops to 0.49. Just for your information. Your bid strategy is also very, very important. Once you're satisfied with your campaign, make sure to double check everything that you have selected and inserted. Most importantly, your final destination URL, because if that is set up incorrectly, then you are not going to receive traffic. So make sure to double check your final destination URL, and you also want to check that if you have your macros correctly set up. But if you have followed this tutorial, then I am sure that you should be good to go. Once you have checked everything, make sure to click on Add Campaign. And once you have submitted your campaign, it's going to undergo approval. And if you have not broken any guidelines, you're going to start receiving traffic. So this is a super awesome network, very, very easy to use. And if you guys want me to create another video with a live case study of this campaign, for example, then make sure to leave a comment below this video, because I always review and I always test out new networks myself to show you guys and to record videos of what I think in my personal opinion. So overall, my experience with this network has been great. I mean, they have awesome features, including the auto optimization feature. They have many advertising formats to select from: pop under, push notification, in-page push banners, and most importantly, you can track all of your statistics in your stats dashboard, which will help you optimize and scale the campaign. Now guys, if you want me to create a live case study using this network where I will spend $200 or $300 promoting a CPA offer, then make sure to leave a comment down below. And I have created many case studies like this before and you guys absolutely love them. So I would be more than happy to create a case study using this network myself as well. That is something that you're interested in, make sure to comment down below. So guys, if you want to test out this network yourself, then make sure to click the link below this video. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You're going to find that in the description below as well. If you deposit at least $100, then use the coupon code Damien. It's going to give you an additional 20% to your deposit, which means that you're going to have $120 in your account. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And once again, if you want me to create a case study with this network, leave a comment down below and smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.